Sniper and Channel Night Cloud. I'm going to do some more Legion only, because I like this guy. Let's see what we can find here. We got the new banner with Mervin power. So much Mervin power. So much. And it feels so good, the Mervin power. Happy hour is in 5 hours. I'm guessing when it's duller gray, that means that it's not in a game. Or that it is in a game. And these are the people I'm trying to join. I really expect Free Nation to be bigger. It's weird. Connecting. Really? Are we connecting? Yes. Boomtown. Pow. Boomtown, yeah. Yes, the town for the training when you are captured by the IMC. Meeting. Mervin. 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 Mervin, 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 Mervin. Let's go! Where are you going? Nope, that's not. Okay, let's just go this way. Hello, North Star. I once played a North Star on this map. Let me tank. Is there someone over there? Uh-oh, Ion's getting damaged. Let's go. Move, move, move. Ah, God. Oh God! Oh, don't hurt! Oh, I'm dead now. Kill him! Avenge him for me! Avenge him! Go, avenge him! Deploying! Uh-oh. I don't think we've avenged him yet. Ooh, hello, No Star. Kill. Stay over here, kill. Oh God, no. Yeah, flip so close. Die, Monarch. Come on, you got this, team. Yeah, go team. Like a mini nuke going off these titans. Mini nuke. Stomp, 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 stomp. Yeah, you pummel them. Let's go. I come with you, Monarch. Nope. Bad Scorch. Long range mode. Boom. Ouch. Knew it. Just plain old knew it. Get the monarch. Yeah. Crash. Stomp, stomp. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So close. Now, explosions of me. Get him! Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Go Tone, go Tone. Let's go, let's go. Wow! Okay. I come to you guys to tank. I will tank. Just let me through. Got it, got it. Trying to melee. Get him, Ion. No, Ion, no. Oh, wow. Titan resist. Yeah, we got it. 2 more Titan kills. Come on, let's go. There you go. 1 more. 1 more. We got this. Just waiting for the victory. Anytime now. Victory. I'm probably not gonna get it. Do you see? I see. I don't get it. The 2 top people are dead. That's sad. And on the other team, the 2 bottom people are dead. That's weird. Match complete. Victory. Good performance. Level 11. Triforest. And G50. I was keen on YouTube. Please like and subscribe.